Bike Zone welcomes you to a brand new look at one of the most iconic machines ever built. Today, we dive into the 2025 Yamaha RX 100, a legendary name reborn for a new generation. A legend returns. The RX 100 has always been a symbol of power, sound, and street presence. In 2025, Yamaha revives this classic with modern engineering while keeping its raw, nostalgic DNA alive. This new version blends retro attitude with today's performance standards. Engine and performance. Yamaha gives the 2025 RX 100 a refined, fuel-injected engine designed for strong low-end torque and quick city acceleration. It maintains the lightweight character that made the original so fun to ride, offering a crisp throttle response and impressive efficiency. Design and build quality. Retro styling meets modern craftsmanship. The bike features a muscular tank, clean lines, and chrome highlights that echo the past. Updated materials, LED lighting, and a solid chassis ensure durability and premium feel without losing the RX 100's classic charm. Features and technology. The 2025 RX 100 includes essential modern touches, a digital analog console, improved suspension setup, and better braking performance. Yamaha ensures the bike stays simple, practical, and rider-focused, just like the original icon. Price and market impact. With its nostalgic fame and updated engineering, the RX 100 is ready to shake the commuter and retro bike market once again. Yamaha aims to attract both young riders and longtime RX fans looking to relive the glory days with modern reliability. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha RX 100 is not just a motorcycle, it's the comeback of a legend. A perfect mix of heritage and innovation, built to rule the streets once again. Bike Zone will keep you updated with more exciting two-wheeler content. Stay tuned.